teeth, rolling up the reefers that I took to smoke. In the projects, learning how to cook the dope. I didn't know that life had a plan for me. I never listened to my friends or my family, cause it was hard for me as I grew up. Making other competition run with the guns that I threw up. My reputation blew up, the scene was set, and everybody in the game had to give respect to a young roughneck, life's one breath. Buck wild child who was straight chin check. Loaded with a weapon, it was hard to stop. A young brother from the block trying to reach the top.